Hello students, this video is going to walk you through how to use Nearpod. Under each week, you will notice there's an assignment called Nearpod. So when you see this blue icon called Nearpod assignment, you click it. And then it's assignment that you will need to accomplish. So you click this at the bottom. There's an instruction here as well. You click this load Nearpod in a new window. And then a Nearpod will show up and your name will already be entered to this box. You will just click join lesson. And then for each page, you will see a slide. Either you will need to listen to the instructor's narration by clicking this audio bar. Or when you finish it, just move to the next slide and then read through what's on there. You can utilize the note feature here, basically link to your OneDrive or link to your Google Drive where the notes will be saved there. So there's a couple of different activities you will need to complete. Listen to the instructor's instructions here and then complete the assignment. If it's a PDF, you can click different pages to read through it. And you can also download this PDF by click the download button. And if there's a question pop out like this one, it's an open-ended question, read through the question and then type your answer. Once it's done, hit submit. And then move to the next slide. Here's another open-ended question. Hit submit. You cannot skip the questions because the instructor has set up as a way to check your understanding. So you won't be able to skip the questions. See, when I try to skip this one, it will pop out a window saying you have to complete it. Complete it, okay. And move to the next slide. So when you are done with the lesson, you will see this blue screen saying tab start to start over. When you click it, it will start over. So that means that you can basically redo this lesson and then you can do it anytime again. So if you couldn't finish it in one setting, you can always come back and then you will notice that for the question that you have submitted your answer, the answer will be recorded so you don't need to retype it. But you want to make sure if you type it right, if you need to retype it, then you can re-enter your answer again. So you can always come back to edit your answers. So when you are done, then you can close this tab and then go back to your Canvas. And then that's it for the Nearpod assignment.